Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transits. This is just a quick walk around video of one of our latest vehicles. So here we have a Maxus Deliver 9 Dropside truck. This is fitted with a UK Bodies 4.2 metre Dropside unit on the back. New and unregistered, so delivery mileage only, Maxus, and comes with full Maxus 5-year manufacturer's warranty subject to regular maintenance. It's a 150 PS, 2 litre, 6-speed manual. Well spec'd inside the cab, so you've got cruise control, you've got lane departure warning, emergency brake assist, manual air conditioning, rear wheel drive. You can see the aluminium side runners, the painted aluminium sideboards to match the cab. You've got yellow grab handles, you've got a step inside, manual release, two meters of internal width, thermoplastic wheel covers, LED daytime running lights, so this vehicle has a 6-ton gross train mass. You can see the heavy duty floor, heavy duty headboard, and again grab handles with step, exterior and internal tie downs, and very easy release side panels. So you just pull this up, and inside the cab, again very well equipped. So you've got the dual passenger seats with fold down table and underneath storage. You get a passenger grab handle, overhead storage, 8-way adjustable driver's seat, the heavy duty flooring, and so because it's manual, 3 pedals, electric windows, adjustable wing mirrors, automatic headlights with the LED daytime running. Up here you have your cruise control buttons, your connections when your phone's connected through Bluetooth, your manual air conditioning. Up here you've got your auto stop start, your lane departure warning, your automatic assisted braking, eco mode, power mode, and here's your manual DPF regeneration button. Then up here you've got the radio, so you've got FM, AM, you can connect your phone through Bluetooth, play your Spotify through the vehicle. So in conclusion here we have a Maxus Deliver 9 Dropside fitted with a 4.2 metre UK truck bodies body, rear wheel drive, 6-speed manual, Euro 6 150 PS, well equipped inside the cab, so cruise control, lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking. If you have any questions, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you.